Okay, so this is, again, I'm just going to do this for posterity, right? I don't know if anybody's ever going to make it, but I don't want it to get lost. You know, I've made it for hundreds of people who've enjoyed it, but it's an old movie. So this one I have to inflate down from the end, and because of that, I have to blow it up with my mouth. Now see how I held that beginning section so that it wouldn't inflate? I might be able to do that with a pump. I'm just not willing right now to learn how to do it. All right, and then I blow up a little bit at the end. Okay, so what I've got is I've got a little bone at the end, I have a space, and I have a little at this end. All right, so I am going to stuff this. I have to pinch this so that the air doesn't go down that way. I'm going to stuff this into this section to create like a kidney. It's like an apple tie. And then I grab the knot with my finger, just like that. Twist it off and push the knot back into the kidney. Push it back into the kidney. All right. So now it takes a minute for me to get the right look of it, but I think that's pretty good. All right, little section, not long, short, maybe more than that, and 2 ear ties. And the ear ties are what hold it. Ear tie, ear tie. Okay, so I use the apple tie to make the head. I make a body, 2 ear ties. Now I'm going to cut this off and get rid of it. When I say get rid of it, I'm going to get rid of it. Completely gone. All right. Now, like a bird beak, I'm going to pull this forward and just squeeze a little bit out. Okay. Those of you who are my age will probably know exactly who this is. These of you who are my kids' age should know who this is. All right. Lots of wrinkles. Wrinkles in the neck. Rib cage. Arms with the thumb and 1 long finger. Just like that. Arms with the thumb and 1 long finger. Just like that. Can you tell who it is? Crazy.